Okay, so I sanded down the ceiling here, and this is what it looks like. And after I sanded it down, I re-primed it with the guards here. So the guards seals in any joint compound where I skimmed over there. So we're painting the ceiling here now, and what I do to cut in is I just put it on like a brush like that, and I just do that, and I overlap onto the wall. Because we're going to be cutting in the walls, so just overlap right onto the walls and make sure that the paint gets in the corner there, and just feather it off. So that's how I cut it in here. And now we're going to start to roll here. So I have a 1/2 inch nap on the roller here. I'm just going to shake it back to both sides here, and we're just going to slowly transfer this to the ceiling here. And you just want to roll slow at first to release it, and then you can start to pick up the speed of it. And you want to get the roller as close to the corner as possible here. So once I have like that, then I'll start to go back into what I released here. Now I'm going to reload this now. Shake it to one side, shake it to the other, and then transfer this up to the ceiling here. So again, now I want to work the corner of the roller into the corner here as far as possible here. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to roll out the rest of the ceiling there, and this is going to need one more coat, because as you can see here, one coat is not going to cover here. So you can see how just one coat of a ceiling white flat paint covers here. So again, this is going to get one more coat, and then the ceiling will be complete.